from Shauka Dam. It's a Thursday today, not the usual suspect, not the usual Friday. It's super windy, so I'm not sure how the audio is going to sound, but I find myself on top of another hill, just witnessed an epic sunset. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Usually I'm out early mornings. Today I decided, in fact I was supposed to wake up early morning today. Obviously didn't turn out as per plan, and thought, okay, instead of letting go of a valuable holiday, I was going to try a sunset today. So yeah, Wadi Shawka, also known as the Shawka Dam. Khaimah, about 80-100 kilometers from Dubai, from my place. Took me an hour or so to get here. Yeah, tons of people. It's a public holiday, so yeah, there's tons of people out here. There's a little bit of a park downstairs as well. I think that's why a lot of families turn out in this location. There's a nice hiking trail here. It's either a hiking or a cycle path. I saw a couple of hikers who were taking the route. So yeah, nothing much. Fairly barren landscape, as you can see. Call to prayer. There's a moon in the background, not sure if you can see, but yeah, it's about 400 meters climb, and people are all down there where the water is. I haven't bothered to go down there as much, just because there are too many people there, and just having the drone and all that stuff is going to attract unwanted attention. So I find myself here. Gonna be dark soon, so I'm gonna try and start making my way downhill, and yeah, supposed to meet a friend later today down in Sharjah. Try to fix these audio issues I've been having with the GoPro. Try and make it slightly better, so there's something I need. I'm gonna meet him and see if we can get that sorted. So that's it for today. I hope you liked my last video. The last video was tried a couple of things, a couple of new camera tricks and stuff. I don't know how it turned out. Was it cheesy or was okay? So let me know what you thought about the last video, and I have something planned for the next one. The next one's going to be in a couple of days, and I might have a couple of friends with me on that one. So yeah, let's see how Saturday goes, and I guess see you later. Peace.